Now I want to show you what is new in resource scheduling with the 2105 release in S/4HANA Cloud. For this purpose, we have summarized on one page all the feature highlights in resource scheduling. You see here on this slide that we are doing some new improvements in the maintenance scheduling board app. You see here we have the inline display of work center utilization in the app. And a new feature I will show you in a second in a short system demo, the new feature to remove constraints in the maintenance scheduling board app. And which is also very nice, and I will show you this in the system demo, starting from the dashboard from the Manage Work Center Utilization app and also from the Maintenance Schedule for Assets app. We have now the new cross-app navigation to the Gantt chart, to the maintenance scheduling board. And additionally, you see here, we are introducing now additional columns and filters for technical objects and phase control codes and others in all the apps of resource scheduling. Now, let me share a short demo with you to show the feature highlights. Here I'm logged in the S/4HANA Cloud system as a maintenance planner for resource scheduling. And as you know, the dashboard or the entry point of resource scheduling is our dashboard, the Fiori app resource scheduling for maintenance planners. First, let me open this app here in this demo. And you see here, this dashboard has different cards for due maintenance orders, unassigned work, my schedules, and the work center utilization. Now you see that I click on this card, and now I'm navigating directly to the Manage Work Center Utilization app. And the first new feature here on this Manage Work Center Utilization app is on the right side here. You see here, we have here this chart. We can also make it bigger. And you see here, this was also available in the 2102 release. We have here the quick filter work center. We can select for particular work centers and apply the filters then here on the chart. But what is new, if I go here ahead, you see that now we are offering here new additional filters for priority, order type, activity type, processing status, and control key. This is really helpful for the users. And now you see I'm clicking here or opening the tab for the maintenance orders. I'm selecting here on this app several orders. And this is the cross navigation, which is new from the Manage Work Center Utilization app. You can now directly navigate to the Gantt chart. You see here there are two new tabs, Show a Maintenance Scheduling Board and Show Corresponding Operations. And what we are doing here now in this short demo, I'm clicking here on this cross navigation button. And directly we are here in the Gantt chart. And you see here, I can expand here the order, see the operation 20. And here you see at this point in time, we have here the color code orange. So this operation is not dispatched yet. We can, on the Gantt chart, take directly action on this operation. So we are clicking on dispatch. And now you see we have dispatched this operation. Now the color code changed from orange to green. And you see that the must start on date is now fixed on this operation. And what is new? This is now, you see in a second here, this new button, Remove Constraints. Now, you know, you cannot change here this dispatch operation because the start date is fixed. But now we have here the opportunity, if we select this operation again, now this new button, Remove Constraints, is enabled. And what does this mean? If we press now the Remove Constraint button, we will remove this constraint, which means the must start on date, the constraint is removed. And now we are free to make a new schedule here for this operation. And that's what I want to show you here in the system. Go back to the Fiori Launchpad to see all the Fiori apps.